ESA Machines, India's first #1 for forklift grabbing and loading attachment systems manufacturer. ESA Machines, the brainchild of Sri Ganesh Jai Ganesh Engineering Works, was founded in Coimbatore in 2000. Manufacturing. We are known for robust and reliable tooling for accurate and productive machining. All special machinings are in-house. CNC, turning center, laser cutting, VMC, lathe, drilling, welding, assembly, and all testings among other. Welding and fabrication. Welding and fabrication of steel assemblies with various welding methods like arc, MIG. Trained and certified welders with continuous skill testing and guidance ensure robust welds. Precision machining and assembly. Highly skilled assemblers trained in best practices ensure meticulous assembly of high-end precision products. We focus on providing the ideal assembly environment. The products are dispatched only after verification by independent quality team. Product design. ESA Machines build and operate custom-made special-purpose machines for our high-volume customers to provide the best cost and quality. This capability also allows to provide among the lowest lead times for setting up manufacturing lines for our customers. We employ an array of product designers in mechanical departments to design, develop and improve our industrial product range in lifting, storage among others. ESA Machines designs, manufactures and distributes specialized forklift attachments, including grabber, for our customers across the Indian subcontinent. The company is based in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. We take great pride in being at the forefront of technology for the building and construction sectors, and we are proud of the fact that our solutions have enhanced their operations. We are the pioneers in the Indian market for grabber attachments fitted to hydraulic lifts. We have accomplished more than 150 installations, and our customers are delighted with the performance of the attachments. Our customers realize and appreciate our willingness to design desired solutions and/or provide special design variations on our standard product offerings. These factors, coupled with high quality, reliability, and attentiveness, are what set ESA apart from all others. Our attachments are used to handle concrete block, paver block, hollow brick, premold bricks, cotton bales, paper rolls, agricultural crop rolls, roller pipes, cylinder tubes in industries. Research and development. ESA Research and Development Team is now designing various construction equipment under the banner of ESA Machines. We have now manufactured a grabbing and loading machine that is useful for grabbing and loading multiple solid blocks, hollow block, paver block, fly ash bricks and more type of bricks in a single slot. ESA Machines have 4 type grabber attachments. Scissor type brick grapple SG40, parallel type brick grapple PG50, fly ash bricks grabber, PG50 extra, fork mount attachments, FMPG50, all type of grabbers lifting capacity, 1250 to 2000 kilograms, slewing angle, 360 degrees, grabbing range, 0 to 48 inches, type of products handled, solid blocks, hollow blocks, paver blocks, fly ash bricks, wood logs, cotton bales, sugar bales. Bucket attachment for forklift. Capacity, 1250 to 2000 kilograms. Bucket size, 1 meter, 2 meter. Type of products handled, concrete mixture, cement, gravel and etc. Crane attachment for forklift. Lifting capacity, 500 to 1000 kilograms. Slewing angle, 180 degrees. Max outreach, 10 feet. Type of products handled, electric coils, pipes, construction materials etc.